This will be an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. The tablet I have now is the S6. I don't really buy a lot of tablets. I usually use these tablets to consume media, but once I heard that the Tab S7 or the S7 Plus specifically switched over to an OLED display and also a 120 Hertz display and also at 12.4 inches, I believe, I gotta have it. Anyway, this is the box that it comes in. Tab S7 Plus. It has an aura glow kind of effect to it. Very nice. Samsung right there. Picture of the product. And on this side, get the side profile of the device. On top is nothing. Tab S7 Plus, some info there. And on the back side, what do we have? Screenshot that if you want to check it out. And then let's get right into it. We'll cut it open and we'll have a look. Now this one, like I said, 12.4 inch display, OLED, 120 Hertz, Snapdragon 865, right? I think this one is 128 gigs, so it's 6 gigs of RAM, which is good enough for me. Micro SD card slot, etc. Anyway, check that out, Samsung. Got this nice cloth here. So let's, how does this work? Ooh, okay. Ho 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 ho, this feels nice. What does that say? Instructions on the pen, which is right here. So that's how you put it on the device. The pointy tip right underneath the camera module. All right, we'll go ahead and put this to the side for now. Just put it right here. And then let's check out the contents of the box. Here you have your charger, which I think this is a fast charger, Samsung. Now it's the super fast charging. What does it say here? Kind of wish that said super fast, but it's all right. Samsung, and then screenshot that if you want to check it out. And then in here, what's this? Your cable, C to C, I assume. You know what that looks like. I'm not gonna open it. And this is what? Here we go. Terms and conditions, quick reference guide, all the usual stuff. There you go. Device just slides out like so. Ooh, look at this. Love the way this feels. Put that to the side, and then this is the device. Whoa, look at that. Mystic, what is this? Is this Mystic Black or just matte black? What do they call this thing? I don't know if it's Mystic Black. It's the black one. And then here we have sound by AKG. I think this has 4 speakers. Samsung, and that's where you stow the pen. So what did it say? Pointy side up, right? And it should just like magnetize right there. That's pretty cool. Look at that. That's nice. It's your camera module. And then we'll flip it over. Oh, look at this display. 12.4 inches of AMOLED goodness, 120 Hertz to boot. And then what do we got down here? Got some contact points. And we do have more plastic here. Okay, this is unacceptable. Got to remove all this plastic. So you got to peel this up and then can't have any of this stuff. You got to peel it off. Oh, came off. So now I gotta go to the second piece. There we go. And then third piece. And I believe that's it. Do we have one more? We have one more. Hang in there, Samsung Knights. We'll get to the turning on the device shortly. But first, you know what the deal is. Look at all that. All right, let's go ahead and turn this on finally. Where's the power button at? Where's the power button? I turn this on. What? Oh, duh. Come on, Sherlock. You pointed at the power button like a minute ago. You already forgot where it was. It's embarrassing. Here we go. 12.4 inches, OLED, 120 Hertz. I can't wait to watch TV on this thing. It's gonna be nice. All right, what do we got? Yep, it does have it in display. So we'll check that out right meow. I'm gonna use this. Go ahead. And I think this is optical. Yeah, this is an optical scanner, so it's not the sound waves type. 80%, 94%, Boom. Fingerprint added. Wasn't too bad. Making noises, which is good. Wow, look at that wallpaper. Oh wow, yeah, this is a, whoo. Oh yeah. First impressions of this display. Yeah, this looks pretty nice. Very nice. And we are in. Really, my main purpose of this device is to consume media. So let's go straight into YouTube. All right, what are we gonna watch here? Now, I don't wanna get copyrighted, so I'm just gonna search one of my videos. I don't know, I'm just gonna go search my channel right now. All right, check that out. We'll go to my channel, click on that, click on me, and then videos. Okay, what am I gonna check out? Let's just check out my latest one. A test between the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 versus the Samsung Galaxy Note. Go like this. Ultra. Now they both have the Snapdragon 865 plus processor, 1 RAM on Android 10, and they're both on One UI 2.5. Now let me check this out. Phones are basically similar spec-wise. Gotta say, first impressions, screen looks very nice. Nice and crisp. Blacks are really black. Pretty good saturation. Looks pretty good and sounds good too. Let me get a little bit more watch time with this device. Give me a second. All right, so I've been playing with this device for a little while now, watching a couple of 4K and 8K videos. And I have to say that for me personally, using this device as a media consumption device, this screen is a definite upgrade from my older tablet. Let's see, let's bring it out right here. This is the S6 from a while back. It's a definite upgrade from this. We'll take a look at the size comparison. A little bit bigger. This is 12.4 inches. This is, what is this, like 10.5 or 11 inch? Yeah, but see, this is like an LCD panel, right? This is an OLED 120 hertz display. And I have to say, like I said, definite upgrade. Super smooth on the swiping and stuff like that. As you can see, well, you can't see in this video, but nice and smooth. Yeah, very nice. We'll go to YouTube again. We'll click on this one. I mean, it's just really nice. Definitely gonna enjoy this device for media consumption. Love it. And then I do have the Z Fold 2 5G here. So let's test out the size comparison. 12.4 inch tablet versus, what is this, 7.6 inch phone that folds. So if you're thinking to yourself, if you need a tablet, or if you're looking for all-in-one device, a phone and a tablet in quotes, right? That's your comparison right there. On a side note, love the Fold. This is one hell of a cool phone, man. Love this device. We'll put that to the side. I did buy a case for the Tab S7 also. What is this, an INFILAND case? Kind of folds, so we'll have a look at this one also. Get out of the packaging. We'll check this one out. As you can see, let's get this tablet out of the way for now. I don't want to scratch it. Very nice quality. You have this cloth here. Branding right there, so you can see. Now this one, so you can see this is where you stow the pen. Little slot for that. Get these out of the way. Put these to the side for now. And then what is this? Protect your purchase. Free 1 year. Discount code. Screenshot this if you want. And what's this? Is open up or have a look. Put that to the side. Let me get this pet hair off. Make sure this is nice and clean. Nice felt material here. Will not scratch your display, I hope. We'll take the device and we'll just snap it on. How does this go? Goes this way. Take the pen off. And then, am I doing this right? It's just snap right on, right? There it is. Enter my fingerprint, as you can see. And then we'll close this up and then see this little slot right here. And then your pen stows magnetically. Check that out. Very nice. Okay, now you open this up and it should open. And then the cool thing about this is that angle it this way, right? If you're watching media on a desk, for example, have a look at that. Now, can you kind of use it this way? Yup, a little bit more of a flat angle if you want it that way. So you can have it this way, you can have it somewhere in the middle like that. Kind of use the flap as a ledge to keep the tablet in place. You can have it a little bit more like this if you want, a little bit more of a 90 degree. So we have options here, pretty nice. There you have it. And if you're not using the tablet, go ahead and close this up, and it does shut off the display. Your tablet is nice and protected. Put this in your bag, your suitcase, whatever. Access to your ports right there. Nice. So I'll put a link to this case in the description down below also. This one is by INFILAND. Pretty nice case. All right, so let me know what you thought about this video in the comments down below. If you're interested in any of these products, links are in the description. Thanks for watching. Peace out.